Next point is the High Court. High Court is the highest court in the state. Each state has a High Court, which is the highest court of that state. Clear? Sometimes one or more state can be placed under one High Court. Means a single high court of two states. For example, Punjab and Haryana are different states but a single high court in Chandigarh. Like the Supreme Court of India, the High Court of a state also consists of the Chief Justice. Chief Justice means the judge of the High Court and other judges. And judges of the High Court retire at the age of 62 years. Same, there is no fixed term of office for the High Court judges, but the retirement age of the judge of the Supreme High Court is 62 years, and the retirement age of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court is 65 years. Next, composition means the structure. Every high court consists of a chief justice and other judges. The number of judges is decided according to the size of the state. Clear? According to the population and size of the particular state. Therefore, the number of judges varies from state to state. It means there is no fixed judges in the High Court according to the size of the area, size of the state. Next, appointment. How the Chief Justice of High Court appointed. The President of India appoints the Chief Justice of the High Court in the consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state. Clear? A President appoints the High Court judge, but in the suggestion, in the observation of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of that state. For example, our Governor of our Punjab state is VP Singh Badnor. The judges are appointed by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India, same as the other judges are also appointed by the President in the suggestion of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The Governor of that state means Punjab State Governor VP Singh Badnor and the Chief Justice of the High Court of that state. And eligibilities to qualify for the appointment as a judge, the High Court, the person, same qualifications, same requirement as the Supreme Court judge, must be a citizen of India, should have 10 years of experience as an advocate of a High Court. Means the person should be a lawyer in the High Court for 10 years or two or more such court in the succession. Means in the lower court, subordinate court, session court. Next term means tenure. The judges of the High Court can serve till the age of 62. The procedure to remove the judge is the same as that of the Supreme Court judge. It means impeachment process. If the High Court judge is not working well, then impeachment process is only to remove the High Court judge. Next, jurisdiction. The High Court issues writ. Writ means a written order issued by a court organ of the government which settle dispute and give justice to the people for the enforcement of fundamental rights, means human right. It means the legal power or authority of the High Court is. Next point is it passes the rules, means implement and pass the rule on election petitions. Petitions means a written document signed by many people to do or change something. And other election related disputes means disagreement that are related with the elections procedure. It hears appeals in both civil and criminal cases. Civil means legal dispute and criminal means illegal dispute. Criminal means worked outside the legal field. cases against the decision of the subordinate court and reviews the judgment. It controls and supervise means observe the working of the subordinate court, means the high court observe the working of the subordinate court also.